Northparkes Mines is a joint venture between Rio Tinto and the Sumitomo Group, located at Parkes in central New South Wales. It is a major copper and gold producer, processing 5 million tonnes annually from its underground mine and open pit operations.
Technical and Further Education, or TAFE institutions, provide a wide range of vocational courses in Australia. It is a major provider of training to Northparkes Mines. A flagship in the TAFE program is the working arrangement TAFE has enjoyed with Northparkes Mines over the past 6 years.
This relationship formed the basis for strong collaboration on the Certificate 1 in Resource and Infrastructure Operations TVET course.
The idea started when we were having difficulties filling certain roles within the company and we needed to address the skills shortage. Each year we had an influx of work experience students who were interested in a career in mining. But when it came to filling new apprentice positions, we found it difficult. Northparkes Mines needed a program we could use to address the skills shortage and our apprenticeship program. We knew our industry council had just started a Certificate 1 program and was trialling it with several companies, which we wanted to be involved in.
Northparkes Mines approached Parkes High School and TAFE with a proposal for the Certificate 1 program. After several meetings, they were able to agree on a structure for the course.
As the registered training organisation, we were responsible for setting up the classes and the roll books, keeping all the paperwork, organising teachers, venues and accessing the resources, producing copies of different resources for the students to support the classes.
Classes were held every Wednesday afternoon at the Parkes TAFE. Times were adjusted to fit the student's schedule. This class included a range of activities, presentation of learning material, group work and guest speakers.
If you can go to the admin block, pick up a map, mark the route that you've travelled on the map and then go out the southeast door of the admin building.
I'm going to go into the administration block to the front office. I'm going to get a map.
I have to leave through the southeast door of the admin building and go to the muster point and then mark my route.
2 of the sessions in Term 4 included bus trips to the mine. For the pilot project, TAFE used the Skills DMC Certificate 1 resources, which were produced in a folder for each student.
So as the coordinator of the class, I was responsible for setting up the teaching schedule, arranging teachers and guest speakers from the mine, and also coordinating with Tralee to arrange mine visits and work placement for the students.
Northparkes' role was to get off the ground Certificate 1 course that would provide us with students who wanted to pursue a career in mining.
The course would give students a basic understanding of the mining industry, especially the culture of safety. It also allowed Northparkes to showcase the professional careers in mining, while building an entry-level base for their apprenticeship program.
Northparkes Mines' contribution was to supply a training advisor to oversee the project, guest speakers for each unit, site visits and 2 weeks' worth of work placement on site in various areas.
Uniforms were supplied and transport was provided for students to and from the mine site.
Teenage students can be very hard to pin down, so we had to basically be a little bit innovative and just use a range of communication methods so that we could keep in touch with the class. So things like texting and emailing and things if people didn't show up, or just to keep them informed of what was happening from week to week, was really important. A wiki was also set up to allow news postings and updates as well as students' discussion. This is basically just a self-managed web page that you can change whenever you like.
What else was not good?
Student feedback was gathered throughout the pilot. Entry surveys were combined with students' comments being captured on video.
They took me around the whole mining site and took me underground and out to the open pit and just showed me an overview of how the mine actually works and what's involved in it.
Information was gathered on the use of the e-learning tools and outcomes of the work placement.
There you go. Hope you enjoyed yourself.
As it draws to an end, students will provide feedback on the structure of the course, teachers, coordination, guests, resources and venues.
We hope to build on the successes and challenges of this pilot with new intakes for Certificate 1 in 2009.
Students received 2 units towards their HSC and a nationally recognised qualification.
For students who want to continue in a trade career, it opens the door at Northparkes Mines through their apprenticeship program.
The thing I enjoyed most about the program was I was able to get an insight into how the mine industry works.
I'd like to get a trade out here as a mechanical fitter and then hopefully go on to mechanical engineering from there.
I'm looking at going to uni, possibly doing mining engineering or maybe another mining related course.